All right, yo, we back. We got another one. This is going to be another Volvo lost key replacement we're doing. This is going to be a 1999 Volvo S70. So the customer sent me the immobilizer box, Immobile 3. They sent the remote. I'm not going to be able to do nothing with the remote. That's a separate module. They'll have to do that on their end. And they sent me the door lock. So basically, plan of action, I'm going to take a couple keys. Oh, yeah, I keep a bag of keys. So if you call somebody to help you and they say, go buy some keys and give it to them, they definitely don't do this type of work. Because the people that do this type of work, we have keys on standby, ready to do the work. So that's just a little food for thought right there. But anyway, back to this. Plan of action. I'm going to decode this lock, figure out what the existing cuts are. So I'm not changing nothing. I'm going to recreate the key that was lost, basically, the cuts. And then after that, I'm going to take a couple chips, similar to something like this. May not be the same one, but similar. And I'm going to program them into the system. That's it. I'll come back in a little bit. All right, here we go. This puppy is done. Let's start with key number 1. Nice spring action like it should. Key number 2. Nice spring action. Reason I put numbers on there, that's for when I'm doing programming. I'll be programming chips like this. And whatever data is on it or whatever data I got to write to it, I just make sure I put them in different keys. So when I read the keys again and make sure that the data is in the system, then I'll be like, okay, this is what should be on this chip. It's just double checking for me. Anyway, at this point now, it's just plug and play. Now, those of you that's having a lot of trouble finding someone, here's a couple reasons. One, you may have a locksmith that's new to the trade. They probably wasn't even around in the late 90s when this vehicle was produced, or early 2000s, whenever they started seeing the keys lost and keys had to be programmed. I still have a lot of my old equipment from when I was dealing with the stuff back then. So that's another reason why I'm able to do it too. The people may not get enough calls. 3, they may not even have the training. And 4, is obvious, they don't have the equipment. Now, you probably notice I do a lot of this type of work all the time, because I done built some relationships with mechanics all over the country. When it comes to motorcycles, cars, there's definitely mechanics that's going to call me up and say, hey, we got a customer. Here's the deal. We're going to send them your way. Or they going to send me the parts. So that's why I'm always doing this type of stuff. You always seeing these kind of videos. But that's about it. Ain't really much to say. Appreciate y'all for watching. Catch y'all next time. Oh, go to the website, www.acm Locksmith Group. Or if you want to give me a call, I don't troubleshoot cars. I don't fix them. What I do is this right here. I do the keys, replace them, I program. So if you need my help with something like that, give me a call. I'll tell you how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take, and what to send me. And that's about it. Or go to the website again, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Appreciate y'all for watching.